Let us now come to item number 4, consideration and adoption of government resolution. Resolution of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly on Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023. Honorable members are aware that the resolution was read out and introduced earlier by Honorable Minister Shri C.L. John. Amendments, if any, were sought to be submitted before adjournment of this House, and I have not received any amendments so far. Now, Honorable Minister may move for consideration of the resolution.
Speaker, sir, I beg to move the resolution of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023. 1. Whereas the Parliament of India has enacted the Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023 has been ratified by the Government of India on the 4th of August 2023. 2. And whereas the Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023 essentially deals with land and its resources within bracket forest. 3. And whereas Article 371A of the Constitution of India states, notwithstanding anything in this Constitution, no Act of Parliament in respect of the religious or social practice of the Nagas, Naga customary law and procedure in administration of civil and criminal justice involving decision according to Naga customary law, and ownership and transfer of land and its resources shall apply to the State of Nagaland unless the Legislative Assembly of Nagaland by a resolution should decide. 4. And whereas the amended Act has been inserted a new section, namely Section 1, bracket A, bracket 2, which exempted from the operation of the Principal Act such forest lands situated within a distance of 100 kilometers along international borders, line of control or line of actual control. As the case may be, proposed to be used, the construction of strategic linear project of national importance and concerning national security. 5. And whereas the above exempted area of 100 kilometers from international borders will cover most part of Nagaland state. 6. And whereas in Nagaland, the ownership of most of the forest lands vests with tribal communities. 7. And whereas in a consultative meeting with the various stakeholders on the subject of Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023, etc., organized by the state government on the 1st of September 2023, the representative of the various Naga Hohos public organizations have expressed their strong objection to the application of the Section 1, bracket A, bracket 2 of Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023 in Nagaland, on the ground that it is likely to infringe on traditional ownership and use of forest lands and the resources in the state of Nagaland. And whereas this House is of the view that the trade land and its resources mentioned in Article 371A include forest lands and its resources, and that the application of Section 1, bracket A, bracket 2 of the amended Act to Nagaland would jeopardize the existing right of tribal communities on their forest land and its resources. 9. Now, therefore, this 14th House of the Nagaland Legislative Assembly hereby resolve that the Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023 will only be applicable to the state subject to the constitutional guarantees provided in Article 371A of the Constitution of India. Then, the House further resolved that the Government of India must assure that provisions contained in Section 1, Bracket A, Bracket 2 of the Forest Conservation Amendment Act 2023 shall not be used to the detriment of the estate and its people. And 11. The House also resolved to explore various options, including the state enacting its own act for the purpose of having its own compensatory mechanism, wherein any diversion of even private or community-owned forest land for non-forestry purposes and damage to environment is suitable compensated by the user agency. In addition to availment of benefits of the existing scheme of the central government and this regard. Thank you.
Honorable members, the motion moved is that this House adopts the resolution as read out and moved by the Honorable Minister. All those in favor of adopting the resolution may say aye. Aye. Those against may say no. The ayes have it, the ayes have it. The resolution as moved is adopted. Let us now come to item number 5, laying of regulation. Shri Nipurio, Honorable Chief Minister, to lay on the table a copy of the amendment of Rule 50 and Rule 51 of the Nagaland Staff Selection Board Regulations 2020.
Nagaland TV, Sop Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapu viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and Twitter.